In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use American Express points on Amazon. If you've been earning membership rewards with your American Express card, you can apply those points directly at checkout on Amazon for part or all of your purchase. Here's how to get everything set up and make your first points redemption smooth and straightforward. Start by heading to Amazon and signing into your account. Once you're in, go to your payments. You'll find this under the account and list menu at the top right. In your payments, add or link your eligible American Express card if it's not already there. Eligible means it's a card that earns membership rewards points. Some Amex cards don't participate, so double check the card type. When linking, make sure your billing address and card details are accurate to avoid verification hiccups. Next, enroll in Amazon's Shop with Points program and connect your American Express membership rewards account. You should see a prompt in the Your Payments section or a Shop with Points tab where you can select American Express and follow the on-screen steps. Amazon will direct you to confirm that you want to link your Amex membership rewards to your Amazon profile. Once connected, your available points balance will show up at checkout whenever your Amex card is selected. Now, shop on Amazon just like you normally do. Keep in mind that only eligible items qualify for point redemption. As a general rule, items sold and shipped by Amazon are eligible. Marketplace items sold by third-party sellers often are not. You can check the product page for the soldbyamazon.com note to make sure it's likely to work. Not every product category qualifies, and certain items like subscriptions, digital goods, or pre-orders may be excluded. When you're ready to check out, choose your linked American Express card as the payment method. You'll see an option to use membership rewards points. Select how many points you want to apply. Either cover the full total if you have enough, or use points for a portion and pay the rest with your card. Amazon typically provides a slider or input box so you can fine-tune the amount. Review the order total to confirm how much is being covered by points and how much, if any, will be charged to your card. One quick tip. The value per point on Amazon is often lower than some other redemption options, so consider using points strategically or watching for targeted promotions. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to use American Express points on Amazon. Happy saving.